Magandang gabi sa inyong lahat. Welcome po sa News Up to Date. Ang topic po natin ngayong gabing ito ay tungkol po sa advisory na inilabas ng Securities and Exchange Commission laban po sa Infinity 8 Networks Digital Services OPC na pinamumunuan ng isang nagngangalang Froilan Pedjonco Flordelisa. Basahin natin yung nakalagay sa advisory ng SEC laban sa Infinity 8 Networks. Based on information received by the Commission, individuals claiming to represent Infinity 8 Networks Digital Services OPC, headed by its CEO, Froilan Pedjonco Flordelisa, is enticing the public to invest their money in said entity. As posted in its website, Infinity 8 Networks Digital Services OPC is offering investments to the public with a minimal amount of 500 pesos up to 500,000 pesos per account. Investors may earn 30% after 5 days, 500% after 40 days, and 200% after 20 days. Too good to be true ang pangako nilang kitaan at halatang scam po yang Infinity 8 Networks. Dapat po iwasan po ninyo yang Infinity 8 Networks at wag po kayong mag-i-invest dyan dahil too good to be true ang pangako nilang kitaan. Makikita nyo, after 40 days daw ay kikita ka daw ng 500%. Doon pa lang po, red flag po yan dahil too good to be true at napaka-imposible ng ganyang kalaking kitaan sa loob lamang ng 40 days. At syempre ang mga scam companies, laging ang pangako nila ay guaranteed. Pero alam naman natin na ang tanging guaranteed dyan ay yung pagtakbo nila dahil guaranteed na tatakbo yan kapag naabot na nila yung quota nila. Furthermore, once you become a member, you will earn fixed dividends from the income generated by the said entity. The dividend will depend on your contribution with the company. You will also earn an additional income from your referrals and promos that are included in the program. So mga kababayan, makikita nyo talagang scam po yung Infinity 8 Networks. Infinity 8 Networks Digital Services OPC allegedly earns through Froilan Pedjonco Flordelisa's skills in crypto trading. Based on its website, Infinity 8 Networks platform works for you. All you have to do is to wait for your scheduled maturity date, then withdraw your earnings. So, ibig sabihin, invest, wait, and earn po yung Infinity 8 Networks. At katulad din po ng ibang mga companies, ay sinasabi nila na nasa crypto trading daw sila. Pero mga kababayan, wala pong guaranteed sa trading, kahit na crypto trading o forex trading pa yan. Kaya dapat maging maingat, huwag kayo magpapaniwala dyan sa mga pambobola na mga companies dahil maaari sa umpisa padamahin kayo, bigyan kayo ng payout pero sigurado po sa huli tatakbuhan po kayo niyan. The transactions stated above are considered securities in the form of investment contracts which must be registered with the Commission. The elements are all present as there is an investment of money by the public into the common enterprise known as Infinity 8 Networks Digital Services OPC with the expectation of profits either 30% after 5 days, 500% after 40 days, and 200% after 20 days while relying on said entity to manage their trades. The records of the Commission show that Infinity 8 Networks Digital Services OPC is registered with the Commission as a one-person corporation or OPC. However, Infinity 8 Networks Digital Services OPC is not authorized to solicit investments from the public since it has not secured prior registration and or license from the Commission as prescribed under Sections 8 and 28 of the Securities Regulation Code. The Financial Products and Services Consumer Protection Act also prohibits investment fraud, which is defined under the law as any form of deceptive solicitation of investments from the public, which includes Ponzi schemes and such other schemes involving the promise or offer of profits or returns sourced from the investments or contribution made by the investors themselves and the offering or selling of investment schemes to the public without a license or permit from the SEC. Hence, the public is advised not to invest or stop investing in any investment scheme being offered by any individual or group of persons allegedly for or on behalf of Infinity 8 Networks Digital Services OPC, and to exercise caution in dealing with any individuals or group of persons soliciting investments for and on behalf of it. At babala po para doon sa mga umaaktong salesmen, brokers, dealers, or agents or claim to act as such, Infinity 8 Networks Digital Services OPC in selling or convincing people to invest in the investment scheme being offered by said entity, including solicitations and recruitment through the internet, may be prosecuted and held criminally liable under Section 11 of Republic Act Number 11765 or the Financial Products and Services Consumer Protection Act or FCPA, and Section 28 of the SRC, which are both penalized separately with a maximum fine of 5 million pesos or penalty of 21 years of imprisonment, or both pursuant to Section 73 of the SRC. Kung meron po kayo impormasyon tungkol po sa kahit na anong recruitment or security solicitation activities being undertaken by persons or group of persons claiming to represent Infinity 8 Networks Digital Services OPC, ay pwede nyo pong isend ang inyong report sa pamamagitan ng email sa Enforcement and Investor Protection Department ng Securities and Exchange Commission sa kanilang email na epd@sec.gov.ph. Ito pong advisory ay inilabas noong November 13, 2023. Mga kababayan, iwasan nyo na po yung Infinity 8 Networks Digital Services OPC dahil illegal po ang kanilang ginagawang pagsulisit ng investment sa publiko dahil wala po silang secondary license. Kung kayo po ay nakapag-invest na dyan, humingi na po kayo na refund, at kung kayo po ay nagbabalak sumali dyan, wag na po kayo sumali dyan dahil yan po ay isang scam. At wag po kayo magre-recruit dahil kawawa po ang mare-recruit ninyo at meron din kayong pananagutan doon sa downline o doon sa mga ni-recruit ninyo. At wag na po kayo magdadagdag ng investment dyan dahil scam po yan. Mga kababayan, dapat maging mas maingat tayo na papalapit na ang Kapaskuhan dahil marami pong mga lumilitaw na mga companies at marami rin po ang mga nagtatakbuhan na mga companies. Huwag po kayo magpapaniwala dyan sa kanilang mga too good to be true na mga offers at kailangan po mag-research po kayo. Huwag kayong magpapaniwala doon sa mga sinasabi nilang guaranteed o yung mga crypto trading o forex trading daw, kaya daw ang laki na ibibigay nilang kitaan. Dahil pambobola lang po yan, pangha-hype lang po yan. Dahil ang totoo po, ang tanging source of income ng mga companies na yan ay yung mga pay-ins ng mga investor. Dahil yan po ay mga Ponzi scheme. Ibig sabihin yung ginagamit nila na pang payout do sa mga naunang investors ay galing lamang po sa pay-in ng mga bagong investors. Kaya tataob po yan. Kaya mga kababayan, kailangan maging maingat at dapat bago po kayo sumali sa isang investment, dapat po i-research po ninyo at i-check nyo po ang legalities. Dapat po kompleto sa legalities, dapat po may secondary license at dapat po i-verify po ninyo sa Securities and Exchange Commission dahil may mga kumpanya po na namimeke ng dokumento. Mga kababayan, maraming salamat po sa inyong patuloy na pagsuporta sa aking channel. God bless po.